To change the alignment of Google Docs number list, first you can change the indentation, the space between the number and the text, by moving the little bar over here. First select the text. Make sure you can see your ruler over here. You need to make it visible. Go to View and Show Ruler. Move the bar next to the triangle. To align the list to the left, grab the triangle and bring it over to align with the text. So there you have a number list totally left aligned with left side of your text. And that's about it. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. And if you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, please consider to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video.